Hi everyone, my name is Vinod Sinaya. My metric card number is 14DEM20F1045. I am from class DEM 4B, section 2. My lesson name is on Ainul Azniza. Today I am going to explain about metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. It is Mosfet. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, MOSFET. MOSFET is a metal oxide semiconductor that is under the category of the field effect transistor. These transistors are widely used under the varieties of the applications relating to the amplifications and the switching of the devices. Because of its applications, MOSFETs are available in smaller size. It consists of a source, drain, gate, and the substrate of the transistor as its terminals. For the security of analog or it be digital is the widely preferred transistor based on the variation at the depletion region width and the flow of the majority concentrations of the carriers. The working of the MOSFET is classified as depletion type and enhancement type. What is MOSFET? A FET that is designed with the gate terminal being inserted from the substrate, which is either the P-type or N-type material, is called as metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. The gate terminal, which is a metal piece, is insulated by material like silicon dioxide. The working of the MOSFET depends upon the conditions of the charge throughout the channels based on the gate source voltage. Types of MOSFET. Firstly, based on the type of the channel, it is classified as P-channel or N-channel MOSFETs. The presence of the channel is the transistor make the MOSFET to operate into the different modes. If the channel exists and once the biasing is provided, it starts to conduct it is referred to as depletion mode. Due to the biasing, the channel is created and then the condition begin. Then it is referred to as enhancement mode. The application of the voltage make the device to turn into on mode known as enhancement mode. Generally, it is known for the characteristics similar to that of an open switch. Then depletion mode. In this mode, the application of the voltage makes the device turn into off mode. Hence, those modes characteristics are equivalent to the closed switch. MOSFET symbols. The symbols of the MOSFET consist of the terminals and the representation of the channels based on the condition of the biasing and the way channel react to it make the device to conduct the flow of the charge carrier. The direction of the arrow in the below symbols represent the direction of the flow to charge carriers. In N-channel type, it flow out towards the gate in P channel type. It flows inward away from the gate terminal. This is the symbol for N channel. This is the symbols for P channel. N channel Mosfet. The drain and source are heavily dropped N plus region and the substrate is P-type. The current flow due to the flow to negativity charged electrons, as also known as N-channel MOSFET. When we apply the positive gate voltage, the holes present benefits the oxide layer experience repulsive force and the holes are pushed downwards into the bone negative charge which are associated with the acceptor atoms. The positive gate voltage also attracts electrons from the N plus sources and drain region into the channel, thus an electron rich channel is formed. P channel MOSFET. The drain and source are heavily dropped P plus region and the substrate is in N-type. The current flow due to the flow of positivity charge holes, also known as P channel MOSFET. When we apply negative gate voltage, the electrons present beneath the oxide layer experience repulsive force and they are pushed downwards into the substrate. The development region is populated by the bond positive charges which are associated with the donor atoms. The negative gate voltage also attracts holes from the P plus source and the drain region into the channel region. MOSFET characteristics. The characteristics of the MOSFET also depends on the depletions and the enhancement modes. Enhancement modes characters. The most preferred transistor in MOSFET is of an enhancement type. In this type, there is not conduction seen if the voltage at the gate and the source terminals are zero. As the voltage reaches the threshold, the conductivity tends to increase. Depletion mode characteristics. In this mode, the width of the depletion region depends on the applied voltage at the terminal gate. If it is increased in the term of the positivity polarity, consider this instrument can be seen in the width of the depletion region. This mode of the transistor is very rarely preferred during the design of the electricity circuit. The metal oxide semiconductor use an insulate gate to isolate the gate from the channel. Two types of the enhancement mode and depletion mode. An E-MOSFET has no channel until it indicates by a voltage applied to the gate, so it operates only in enhancement and N-channel type. It's insulated a positive gate voltage included the channel. This is the operating E-MOSFET diagram. The D-MOSFET has a channel that is controlled by the gate voltage. For an N-type type channel is negative voltage depends on the channel and positive voltage enhances the channel. D Mosfet can operate the either mode depending on the gate voltage. This is the operation D Mosfet diagram. Mosfet applications. The switching consequences of the device based on the thresholds wave makes the Mosfet to work as a switch. Based on the channels, the polarity of the biasing voltage may vary. Second one is by the application of the pulse width modulations technique (PWM). The movement of the motors like DC, stepper, etc. can get controlled. The third one is the amplifiers designed from those devices are used in the system of the sound as well as the radio frequency system. The operation of the switching leads to the exploitations of the circuits of the copper. In this, the value of the DC voltage is converted into the AC voltage by maintaining the same levels of the amplitudes. If the depletion region of the Mosfet is made in the configuration of the source follows, then the circuits are utilized as the voltage regulation in the linear mode. Last one is it is preferred in various types of systems of sound in the automobiles and the reinforced system of the sound. That's all. Thank you.